Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So today, without wasting time, let's learn something new quickly. Today my target is to give you some phrases. There are 7 phrases on the board. All are from same composition. All are having same meaning. Phrases are the group of words. It doesn't have individual meaning. It doesn't contain full verb as well. So it is a group of words that is called phrases. So now I have written 7 phrases and all phrases are same from same composition. See what is the meaning? What is the meaning of these all phrases? The meaning is किसी भी कीमत पर the Hindi meaning of all phrases. Look at an example. I want to succeed at all cost. I want to succeed at all cost. If you don't want to use succeed, you can also use here get success. Get, because success is noun or get is a verb or succeed is itself a verb. That's why I am using to succeed. So I want to succeed at all cost. Yeah, I want to succeed at any cost. I want to succeed under any case. I want to succeed anyhow. I want to succeed under any circumstance, and I want to succeed come hell, come rain or shine, and I want to succeed come what may. One more word it is coming in my mind, like come hell or high water. This word was about to come through my mouth, so I have just given come hell or high water. Same meaning, किसी भी कीमत पर. So I want to reach there, come hell or high water. So before I finish it off, I want to just give you one more thing and one more phrase which is slightly different from these all phrases. Like the phrase is by hook or by crook. One more phrase, by hook or by crook. It is looking a bit similar, but meaning is not similar. The meaning is same, like हर हाल में, या फिर किसी भी कीमत पर. बट यू मे बी थिंकिंग, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि जब सेम मीनिंग है किसी भी कीमत पर या भी किसी भी कीमत पर, तो डिफरेंस क्या है? डिफरेंस है ये वाला पॉजिटिव सेंस में इस्तेमाल होता है, जैसे आई वांट टू गेट सक्सेस, आई वांट टू रीच देयर, आई वांट टू अचीव माय टारगेट, आई वांट टू अचीव माय गोल, पॉजिटिव सेंस में. बट ये वाला जो है इट इज यूज्ड इन अ नेगेटिव सेंस. जैसे कि एक रोड छाप जो रोमियो टाइप के लोग होते हैं ना, उनको प्यार हो जाता है, हर एक लड़की देख के प्यार हो जाता है, राइट. सो तो उनका जो फीलिंग कैसा है, वो लोग किसी भी कीमत पर उस लड़की से शादी करना चाहते हैं, राइट. यानी कि फेयर वे और अनफेयर वे. तो ये वो वाला कीमत है, किसी भी कीमत पर, मतलब जान भी मारना पड़ जाए, गोली भी मारना पड़ जाए या गर्दन भी काटना पड़ जाए, लेकिन शादी करके रहेंगे, ये वो वाला है किसी भी कीमत पर. लाइक ही wants to marry her by hook or by crook. So keep in your mind, this word is used especially in a negative sense, like he wants to marry her by hook or by crook. wants to क्यों लगाया? because he is third person, so that is why he wants to marry her by hook or by crook. जैसे एक अच्छा आदमी, दो लड़के हैं, एक अच्छा लड़का एक बुरा लड़का. अच्छा लड़का क्या बोलता है? I want to earn money under any case, या भाई I want to earn money come rain or shine, यानी वो अच्छा तरीके से बोला कि I want to earn money. अब ये लड़का देखो जो थोड़ा सा क्रिमिनल माइंडेड लड़का है, वो क्या बोलता है? I want to earn money by hook or by crook, यानी वो फेयर वे से भी कमाने के लिए तैयार है और अनफेयर वे से भी कमाने के लिए तैयार है. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ by hook or by crook. I hope you love these phrases. So start using these all phrases in your speaking or writing. It will really bring sea change in your speaking or writing. So now I would like to conclude my speaking. I would like to finish my video. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. See you.